For each value of y, determine whether it is a solution to y is less than 9. So what does this mean, by the way? Well, this means that y can be any value less than 9. Not 9, it can be any value less than 9. So that's how we'd represent it on a number line, which means it could be 8. All the shaded part represents is what it can be. It could be 7, it could be negative 100. It can be anything that's less than 9. So now let's look at these answers. But it cannot be 9 because it says it's less than 9. So is 9 a solution? No. Is 13 a solution? No, 13's over here. It's not part of my solution set. What about 6? Yes. Right, 6 is right here. And what about 8? Yeah, 8's included. 8 is less than 9. All right, next one. It says 8 is greater than or equal to v. But you know the way I like to think about this? Not that 8 is greater than or equal to v, that v is less than or equal to 8. And I'll even write it like this. It doesn't matter which one goes on each side. It just matters the orientation of this inequality. So v is less than or equal to 8. So now I know that v is anything less than 8. But because of this equal sign, it can also be 8. So let's look at everything that's smaller than 8. No, that's bigger than 8. No, that's bigger than 8. Yes, that's smaller than 8. No, that's bigger than 8. That's it. Okay, last problem. U is greater than or equal to 13. So once again, you can be anything bigger than 13, and it can also be 13. 15, yes, because it's bigger than 13. 13, yes, that's all right. 16 is larger, that's okay. 7, no, that's smaller, that doesn't work.